Hi, this is Anna with WTI, and I have found the perfect spring and summer dress. It comes in an array of colors. I personally chose rose, which goes well with my complexion and skin tone. It is the perfect spring and summer color, I find. One of the first things that I noticed when I put this dress on is how soft the material is. It is made of Rayon Spandex, so it's super soft on the skin. I am 5'5", and I'm wearing the size large, and it is actually true to size. One of the things that I noticed with this dress is that I can wear it with heels and a blazer to dress it up. I can put on a jean jacket and sandals, and now it's a casual look. It is absolutely a perfect outfit for any occasion. Another thing that I personally liked about this dress is that it's machine washable and it doesn't shrink. This dress is perfect. I love this dress. It is super cute. It is comfortable. It is the exact perfect addition that I needed for my wardrobe. And that's my point of view.